Hello everyone, I'm Sunny from Power International. Today I'm here with my friend Kurshat. How are you, Kurshat?
I'm fine, thank you, Sunny. And how about you?
I'm doing well. Actually, we are here at Loft Valentine. So let's go and see how's this project.
Today we came here to see this loft project, and it's the highest level of the modern architecture and technology, and it will be delivered in 2024, and I'm so excited about that. Let's examine this packet.
Okay, let's start with observing this model. Today we have this place is Loft Valentine. So on the top roof we have restaurants, cafes and social facilities like the pool, and on the ground floor we have shops, and I guess there are some cafes like Starbucks. And here we have 407 apartments. In the back we have a hotel, 5-star hotel, and they are together. Actually they are just both in one project, and it is right in front of Boston Express. And the size of the houses starts from 73 to 170 square meters.
If I start to talk about the location, actually it's very central location, can be easily reached anywhere in Istanbul, like Metro, E5 and Tem Highway. For example, the metro line in 400 meters away. The project is also 36 kilometers away New Istanbul Airport, and 6 kilometers away the seashore, and 8 kilometers away Mall of Istanbul, and it will be delivered in 2024. So it's the best time to invest in this project is now.
So let's go and observe the sample house.
Okay, let's check it out.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's start with this one. This is a 1+1 duplex sample that we have here. So when we enter the house, we see the first guest toilet here, and as all of the other modern houses, we have a smart house and wardrobes here. And then the kitchen. The kitchen is full furnished, and they will deliver to you like full furnished, and everything here is by Siemens, made by Siemens.
Sunny, by the way, the apartment square meter is 78, and as you can see, the ceilings are too high. It's like a 5 meters. This spacious apartment is too useful for young people and especially students. From the stairs, we can reach to the bedroom. You.
Oh, thank you, gentlemen. Okay, wow, this view. Okay, as you can see, we have this long, high windows here. So all the lightness and brightness comes to your house. You can start your day energetic. It's like right in front of you when you are just waking. And here we have a main bathroom, and the toilet is here. So
I ever want to live in a house like that.
Like this.
Yes, like this, because I love aloneness, as you know, and it will be suitable for me.
Okay, that's great. So for everyone, like every young couples or every people who wants to live individually, you can use this place.
Yeah, I'm totally agree with that.
Today we were at Loft Valentine project. This is still under construction, so it's the best time to invest.
Yes, thanks for watching this video. Please like the videos. And what was our slogan? Discover the power of investment.